The coronavirus pandemic is continuing to impact most of the nation, though. A record number of new cases reported again, with more than 1,400 deaths from COVID-19 in the U.S. yesterday. That's according to the COVID Tracking Project. Here's ABC's Elizabeth SCHULZE.
The coronavirus pandemic continuing to break records, overwhelming the nation's healthcare systems and workers.
It's just hard to see somebody passing in front of your eyes.
The COVID Tracking Project reporting more than 65,400 Americans are now hospitalized from the virus, an all-time high, while new daily cases hit another record. Hospitals in some states running out of space to treat the influx of COVID patients. A Michigan nurse says she had to care for a person in a storage room.
I mean, it's a decent-sized room. The problem with that is it's not equipped to run like one of our regular rooms.
In Wisconsin, one hospital system turning to emergency volunteers.
We are reaching out to retired nurses. We're using students who have come up and have come to the forefront and volunteered their services.
In California, lines of cars snaking around a testing site at Dodger Stadium as cases in the state approach 1 million. And in New York, a new curfew forcing bars, restaurants, and gyms to close at 10 p.m. Governors across the country are now weighing new restrictions and begging Americans to stay home when possible.
Stay home when you can. Work from home if you can.
An advisor to President-elect Biden floating the idea of a national lockdown. Dr. Anthony Fauci says that can be avoided if people would follow guidelines like wearing masks.
The best opposite strategy to locking down is to intensify the public health measures short of locking down.
And in a reminder of the economic toll of this virus, another 709,000 Americans filed for new unemployment insurance claims last week. In total, more than 21 million Americans are still receiving some form of jobless aid. Elizabeth SCHULZE, ABC News, Washington.